Hello everyone. Today we will discuss difference between edge and screw dislocation. We have already covered the edge dislocation and screw dislocation in the previous lecture. So today let's break down the differences between edge dislocation and screw dislocation in details for easier understanding. So let's start with how the dislocation occurs. Edge dislocation occurs due to the introduction or elimination of an extra row of atoms, whereas screw dislocation provide easy crystal growth because of additional unit cells, which means basically uh, a screw dislocation occurs when the crystal grows by adding extra atoms in a spiral pattern. Instead of having an extra row like in edge dislocation, the atom twists in a helical manner which help the crystal grow. Let's move to the second point. Shear, tensile and compressive stress field may be present in the edge dislocation, but in case of screw dislocation, shear stress is present, but the tensile and compressive stress field are absent in the screw dislocation. Let's move to the third point, and it's about Berger vector and its relation to the dislocation line. So Berger vector is always perpendicular to the dislocation line in case of edge dislocation. So Berger vector basically helps us understand how the lattice is displaced due to the dislocation. In case of screw dislocation, the Berger vector is parallel to the dislocation line, which means the displacement of atoms happen along the same line as that of dislocation. Fourth point, the region of lattice disturbance extends along an edge inside a crystal. In case of screw dislocation, the region of lattice disturbance is in two separate planes and cross each other at right angle triangle. This happens because the atoms are displaced in spiral pattern across two different directions, creating a cross-like effect in the lattice. Now the edge dislocation, there are two types of edge dislocation, positive and negative. And this classification depends on whether an extra row of atom is added or extra row of atom is missing. Whereas in case of screw dislocation, it does not show any type like edge dislocation. So please take a screenshot of this, and that's it for today. Thank you.